Everything we know about you guys is wrong.
All right, here we go, bud. Here we go. Listen, you're gonna take this nice and slow.
What are you doing here?
Let me introduce Thunder, Lightning.
You afraid of heights? Trust me. Yeah.
I can't do it. I'm not it. I'm not a hero. I'm not. So I'm supposed to save the world. I just don't think I'm up for that.
I need another story.
Did it? I actually did it. Did anybody see that?
My life is kind of boring.
Not bad, huh?
This has become a surprise to you. I don't get up to much.
Till on my sleeves I stained red from all the truth that I've said. Combined honestly,
want to be normal. Normal life.
I've been on the brink, so tell me what you want to hear.
I was using them to generate something called plasma. Been waiting for 10 years to see this girl again. There's something I want to show you. That girl, she's blind. This is really dangerous. I can't bring you in.
Besides, well, we're all gonna die anyway, right? I wanna come with you.
Too sexy. Now it's my turn. But I'm not alone. I've brought a little science with me. Now